welcome back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to another Stickii Club unenveloping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. It's a new month, it's the month of May. It is here pretty early, must I say, because it's... which date is it? Let me just check real quick. It's the 18th of May and it came here today on the 18th of May and it's shipped out. I think the 11th. They always ship out on the 11th. From America to the Netherlands. That's like 7 days. That's very quick. I don't know if I actually got it that quick before. I'm gonna turn this around. A different setting today. I'm actually sitting on my bed. Just because it's easier for me right now. So I hope this setting is good enough for this video. We'll see. This time I actually got the pop pack. There you go, enjoy your pop pack. Because that seemed like the best choice out of the three that you always can pick. Pop, vintage, or I think it's called retro or vintage right now. God, I don't know, I had those the last couple of months. And cute. I don't know, I don't get cute a lot. It just isn't my style most of the time. Oh god, I'm just opening this up. Not the normal way. There we go. I'll get this out of the way. It's always in this nice little sleeve from Stickii. It's branded with Stickii on top as well. So that's really nice. Let's get the sticker out that matters first, which is the sticker which tells you what this month is. It's called In My Element. There you go. You can use one of these stickers or even both on the little corner of your organizer, so you can, you know, if it's in your bigger organizer, you can find easily which pack this is. Or you can use it somewhere else, whatever you want. I always put one here on the corner and another one in my bigger folio map, which that's how they call it, the bigger map where you can put them all in. I use one in my inventory list at the beginning, so I know which ones will be in this folio. Next up we have this nice sticky pads. Again, same as last time, like last month. This one is pretty nice because it has lots of space to write on. Sometimes you get these sticky pads from Stickii where you can't write on a lot. This one is actually from an artist called Lily Melele. I don't know if I pronounced that right. There, you can check the Instagram. So there's this nice little tiger going through a hoop of fire. Ooh. And there's another fireball, I think, right? So it's always just a few. I don't use these often, but now that they're producing ones that you can actually write stuff on, I might use it more. I don't know. I always think they're too pretty to use. But I have so many already that I can definitely use some if I want to. Just putting that out of shot. We have even more. We actually got a lot this month because we got a paper clip. Damn. There we go. I think of some leaves. And you don't always get this anymore. You used to get this in every pack, every month. But now it's just sometimes you get them. So they can also do different things. Like these, which is a stamp. I'll get it out so the glare will be off. But now I got both, so that's that's like a treat. Let me see first what it is. It is actually from an artist, this stamp, called Margot Tissot. She might be Czech. I don't know. But I hope it shows. It's a clear thing. I don't know what it's actually supposed to be fair. I think it's an envelope with waves out of it. I'm just trying to see if I can... if it wants to be sharp. Oh, this is hard. I'm sorry, you guys. Just trying to show you the artist name. But I will link, of course, her website and her Instagram that's on this stamp in the description down below if you want to search it up. And most of the time they also have a sticker sheet in here, which probably has some better things that I can show you. First sheet that we have is sorry if you see my legs, I'm just sitting on the bed, is some washi tape sticker types. Really cool, really elemental, like the pack is supposed to be. Those are some pretty ones. You can use them mostly everywhere. They're just from Stickii, so no artist on them. Most of the time they're washi tape strips. Sticker strips are like from Stickii themselves, but they include those more and more, I think, because a lot of people like those. Okay, so now we have a sticker sheet from Ellen Melele again, which also did the sticky note. You can see that style as well. I'm actually surprised this isn't really in the cute pack, because they're pretty cute as well. They're cute stickers. There we have the tiger going through the hoop of fire again. So we also get that in sticker form. And there you can see the details of this artist. And of course the website from Stickii Club. Because I don't think they have their own website, because they don't say that on here. It's just an Instagram handle. These are just some cute ones. I'm not sure if I would use these a lot. The bubbles are cool. I like the bubbles, but yeah. Like I said, I'm not really a cutesy fan of the stickers, but they're cool to have. Next up, I'm gonna use the backing of another one because it's see-through. So if I show you like this, you're not gonna see it well. So let's use this. Let me see first again. Another artist. Oh, it's also the other side around. I was like, why is this written the other way around? I was like so confused, like mirrored. Like how is this a mirrored one? But no. Okay, this is the same artist as the stamp is from. This is from Margaret Tissot again. So this time I can actually show you her details, because this one is actually cool. So she's more into the water element, I guess, because there's a lot of water on this one. They're cool. There you go, some umbrellas. Look at those tentacles. That's so cool. Oh, those ice creams are pretty cool too. Look at the cats. And there you go. Those are her details. I'm trying to keep it as still as I can. But yeah. That's pretty cool. That's a cool sticker sheet. Let's say like that. Let's use the background of this one for one more before we turn it around. Ooh. This is cool. This is why it's in the pop pack. This is very poppy, like the theme they go for. I will show you in a minute. Let me look at it myself. These stickers are amazing. These are my favorites already right now. Also with water, so the element of water is in it. Also from another artist that we haven't seen before. Maruti Vitamin is the Instagram handle and her Twitter handle. And they have a website called Koyamori. So lots of details to get into the description this time. But look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look at this art. It's amazing. Oh, and I love the style of stickers in this way. Look at just these legs. and then the black background. That's so cool. Same as with her. This is so pretty. And then just a little strip down the bottom here. That's also cool. There you go. The artist. Trying to keep my hands as still as I can. Very hard. But yeah. These are just so pretty. My favorite so far, but let's see if another one can, you know, even make it better. So let's turn this around. You can finally see what this is actually. Oh, that's from the same artist as I just showed you. The same artist. And oh, this is another one that's pretty. I have to go follow this artist on my Instagram. This is amazing. This artwork is amazing. It's very detailed though, so I'm already thinking ahead of myself with diamond painting and thinking if this is an artist I want to recommend to Diamond Art Club, let's say. But I see that there's a lot of details in these paintings, so in this picture, so I'm not sure if it will work. But that's amazing. This has all kind of leaves in there, so there we go back to the leaf theme from the paperclip. Oh, I'm sorry guys, you can't see it at the same time as me. That's the setup this time. It's gonna get to you a bit later, but I just have to look at it myself sometimes first before I put it in the camera. And there again, as you can see, same artist, but they're amazing. I'm definitely gonna follow them because look at that, so pretty. I love that this is like a search for everything that's even in such a small sticker, and even there that there's a cat in there. You don't see it at first, and then you're like, oh, how longer you look, how more you see on those two. That's pretty. Definitely worth it. I already have 2 favorites out of this pack. Let's do this one first and use this as a backing as well. Oh no, it's another one from the same artist. This artist is killing it. It's killing it. I love it so much. Every time I turn around a sheet of the same artist, I'm so happy. I love it. Oh, this is beautiful. I definitely have to check out if I can recommend this artist to Diamond Art Club or someone else. It has a lot of details though, but it's so pretty. I think this is the air element, so yeah. If I have to figure that out, I think the other one was nature, or like, how do you call it? I don't know how to say it. Earth element. And this is more like a wind element, or like air. This also has some gold foil on it. It's so pretty. Oh, and then I have to choose which one of these artists, of these three for now sheets I love. But I have a feeling, because we have all the elements from this artist, well, like 3 of them, is the last sheet also one of his of hers. I don't know if it's a girl or a guy. I hope you can see right. This one is hard to show you. Harder to show you, but it's pretty. Oh, this might be my favorite. I don't know. This one is very, very pretty. But they're all... I say that every time I see something from this artist. They definitely have a new fan. Let's say it like that. I really love these stickers. I don't want to put them on anything because I love them so much. Yes, and that's the last one from the same artist. Again, Maruti Vitamin. This is the fire one. This is the fire element. I have to say, this is the least favorite one of mine. I don't know. It isn't as cool as the other 3 that I had before this. So that's a bit of a letdown, but it's still very pretty. It's just not my style. This one's. The fire one is not really my style, but you know, something for everyone. I do like the deer. I don't like it being on fire, but I guess... As you can see, it's all blue and red flames. Yeah. Please let me know which one of the 4 from this artist you like best. I will show you all. Let me get a bit closer. So we have this one, the fire one. Then we have this one. What did I call this? I think the air one. For the air. The wind. I don't know how you call that element. The nature one, so the earth. That's very pretty as well. And then the water one, which is very different as well. I think for me, this water one or the sky, the air one. But then I'm looking at the nature one again and I'm also liking it. So yes, these are very cool. This artist I'm definitely gonna follow on Instagram and see if I can find some more of his work or her work. Saying that again. But also we have something from Margot Tissot. Also the stamp is from her. And we have something from Ellen Malili, where also the sticky notes are from. And then we just have one regular Stickii Club sheet. So one that's just from them and not an artist. That's amazing. I never had a pack like this before that almost all the sheets are from artists. That's crazy. But that's really impressive. Oh, I'm really impressed by Stickii Club. And I didn't think I would like this pack as much as I do right now. So, yeah, that's great. I love that. So, oh, the little leaf. I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know which sticker sheet you liked most out of this pack. Especially from that one artist. Which element, I guess, from the one artist you liked the most. Or maybe you didn't like any of them and you liked one of the other sheets. Let me know as well. But let's wrap this up. I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you of course next month for another Stickii Club unboxing. And hopefully I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!